Well, hi there pluckers, I've Soul Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had to do a lesson on a song from Sedaka called Left It in the Rain. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that Sedaka recorded the song in 1974, I believe. So without more to do, I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse and first chorus for you, break it down, show you exactly how I played it, and you'll be good to go with it. It's just repeat small verses and choruses, okay? So you'll have all the parts you need. So singing is going to be pretty woeful on this one. It's not in my key, but I've decided to keep it in the original key, okay? So here we go. Shiver up my spine. I feel the warmth of your hand in mine. Ooh, I feel laughter in the rain, walking in hand with the water. Ooh, I feel love for rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Da 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 da. How I love the rainy days and the happy ways of living inside. And so on, you get the idea, don't you? Right, let's break it down for you. Right, the introduction, right, starts off with an F chord, just a strum, and then we play this. And that's a hammer from the first fret on the second string to the third fret on the second string, and then two hits on the top E string on the first fret. Okay, so it's slowly. Okay, and then we go to the third fret of the second string again, and then to the first fret of the top E string. So far. And then we have to go right up to the 8th fret on the top E string, okay? That one, okay? Now you can slide up there if you want. Okay, if you can slide up, that's fine. And then we do 3 hits on a B flat major 7th. Okay, there's a diagonal chord starting at the 5th fret of the top E string, first finger. Second finger is on the 6th fret of the second string. Third finger is the 7th fret of the third string, and pinky is the 8th fret of the 4th string. Just those 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, should sound like that. So that's the first riff. So it's 3 nice sweeps on that chord. Okay. So just practice that again very slowly. You can either slide it or you can just hit it. It's up to you if you can get there quick enough. Okay. Then what we do is we do this. We do another one of these little riffs. This time we're doing the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, to the 5th fret of the 5th string, and then the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Just that sort of thing. Okay, so far we've got okay, and then we just repeat the whole thing. F. So, right, sweep the chord again after that riff. And then after you've done it twice, you go into the verse, strolling along, okay, on an F chord, okay. Now you can use a bar chord, F, or I'm just a straightforward F, it's up to you. I'm playing a 4-fingered F, as you can see, but it's up to you, however you want to play your F, okay. So, F, riff, and then we're into the song, okay? F, strolling along, country, G minor 7th, that's a bar on the 3rd fret, and a single finger, 3rd finger, playing the 5th fret of the A string, the 5th string. Okay, nice, easy, fairly straightforward bar chord. So F, strolling along, country roads with my baby. C, it starts to rain, it begins, F, begins to pour, repeat, without an umbrella, G minor 7th, it's soaked to the skin. C, I feel a shiver, F up my spine. And then we do a rundown to D minor. So it's F, 3rd fret of the 4th string, the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then to an open 4th string and a D minor. So you can play as a single note, or you could play as part of the F chord. It's up to you. Okay, so far, strolling along, country roads with my baby. It starts to rain, it begins to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel the shiver up my spine. D minor, I feel the warmth of her. G 7th, bar chord, 3rd fret, G chord, pinky off. G 7th. Hand in mine. Now that's a C 7th 4th, a C 7th sus 4. Okay, so that's a C 7th, which is a bar on the 3rd fret. So you're playing the G 7th there. Then what we do is you just change it to a C 7th sus 4. So we're keeping the bar on the 3rd fret, and my 3rd finger is playing the 5th fret of the 4th string, and my pinky is starting out on the 6th fret of the 2nd string, and then going down to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Okay? Okay, got that? So, from the beginning. Strolling along, come G minor 7, da da da, C, da 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 da, F, da 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 dum. Again, F, da 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 da, G minor 7, da 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 da, C, da 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 da, F, progression, down, D minor, da 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 da, G7, C7 sus 4, C7. So it's a C7 sus 4 to C7. Yeah. And then we go into the chorus. Ooh, I feel like doing the rain. Right, now that's a B flat minor 7th. It's like the G minor 7th, you're playing the 2nd chord of the verse, but on the 6th fret bar. And my 3rd finger is playing the 8th fret of the 5th string. All 6 strings, yeah. So that's ooh, I feel laughter in the rain, and that is an A flat major 7th. Now that one you played on the intro was a B flat major 7th, exactly the same idea, but 2 frets down. So I'm starting on the 3rd fret, 1st string, top E string, 1st finger. 4th fret with the 2nd string on the 2nd string, 3rd string is on the 5th fret on the 3rd finger, and pinky is playing the 6th fret of the 4th string, the D string. That's A flat major 7th. So that's the 2nd chord of the chorus. So B flat major minor 7th, B flat minor 7th, 1st chord, ooh, I I feel. Then this A flat major 7, laughter in the rain, F minor 7th, played as up here. So at this time I'm playing a bar on the 8th fret, but I'm only doing the first 5 strings, okay, and then it's like an A minor shape but with pinky off, okay. So my second finger is playing the 9th fret of the B string, the 2nd string, and my third finger is playing the 10th fret of the 4th string. Pinky's not doing anything, okay. And I'm playing from 5 down to 1. It should sound like that. So, ooh, I've got laughter in the rain. Back to the B minor 7th, B flat minor 7th, sorry, B flat minor 7th. And then, and again, A flat major 7 to F minor 7. So just repeats those 3 chords, okay? So woo, I feel laughter in the rain, da, da, da. A flat minor 7, major 7 to F minor 7, B flat major minor 7th again, A flat major 7 in the rain, okay? And then finally on the last line it goes to D flat major 7th. That's that. Okay, so let's go from that first bit again. B flat minor 7th. A flat major 7th. In the F minor 7th. And then back to the B flat minor 7th. Walking hand in hand with A flat major 7th. F minor 7th. B flat minor 7th. How I A flat major 7th. After me F minor 7th days, and happy way. Now this is a new one. This is a D flat major 7th, 4th fret bar chord, 4th fret. Let's see. All right, my second finger is playing the 5th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Third finger is playing the 6th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and pinky is playing the 6th fret of the 2nd string. All 6 strings should sound like that. Okay, so now we've got this. I've got laughter in the rain, walking in hand with the one I love. How I love the rainy days and the happy days I feel inside. And now we go to this C7 suspended 4th again, and then to C7. So it's ba 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 ba. There's 2 lots of ba but ba 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 ba, and then we're off into another verse again and another chorus. Okay, so let's try and go through that whole chorus again in one go. Okay, slowly. I feel laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Oh, how I love the rainy days and how the happy way I feel inside. So that's ba ba ba. Sorry, it's only. Oh, sorry, I need to let me slide you. Then it's only once, isn't it? Ba 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 ba. Okay, got that? Okay, got that? So let's do the whole intro, verse and chorus now from the beginning. Okay, so slowly, we'll do it slowly. Okay, so strolling along country roads with my baby, it starts to rain, begins to pour, without an umbrella soaked to the skin, I feel a shiver down my spine. that's it. And then it just goes to another verse and another chorus, another verse, another chorus. Away you go. Thanks very much for watching this, and I hope that helps you with that song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.